So today we are going to do the revision of the chapter 8, that is body movement. So we should know, before starting the chapter, we should know again that what is actually movement. Is the what is movement is the movement of the body parts of an organism. Movement is also regarded when an object moves from one place to another place. This is also movement, okay? But what is the difference between the two terms, locomotion and movement? Movement, when we are moving our body parts, this is known as movement. When you are going from one place to another place, that is a movement, but that is called a special type of movement, that is called locomotion. So locomotion is a type of movement where the body is changing its position from one place to another place. Yes, and this movement is seen in most of all the organisms, whether it be plant, whether it be animals, whether it be human beings. In your book it has been differentiated that human beings and animals are different. No, we are also animals, okay? So
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
special type of animal, special group of animal which are called as mammals. We are mammals.
Ma'am, we are mammals.
Like that, crocodile you have seen, alligator you have seen, they are a special group of animal. They are called reptiles.
Reptiles.
Frog you have seen, toad you have seen. They can live both in land and water. They are grouped in a group that is called amphibians.
Ma'am, amphibian.
Can you give an example of a reptile that is present in your house and you get dare of, scare of?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Amit.
lizard.
Lizard. Very good. Can you give an
Ma'am,
example of
lizard,
an
house lizard.
Can you give an example of a reptile which is present in your garden? Maybe sometimes, and it is poisonous.
Ma'am,
Snake.
snake. And ma'am,
Yes.
snake. Yes, ma'am, snake.
Water monitor. Have you seen water monitor? Water monitor is also example of a reptiles. And aves. Aves. Aves are the group of birds. All the birds will come under the category of aves.
Avis.
So human beings are also animals. You should keep it in mind. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
So this human beings, animals and plants both shows movement. But plants cannot show locomotion. They are fixed in a position. They can only move their body parts. You have seen the stem grows upward, the root goes downward. Sometimes you have seen the sunflower. When sun rises, it faces the sun. And as the sun moves, the sunflower flower also moves. So
Ma'am, it will be also move.
it is phototropic. It's a movement that is towards some external stimulus. In the case of sunflower, it is light. छुई मुई का जो पेड़ है आप लोग देखे होंगे, टच मी नॉट. If you
Yes,
touch
touch
the
me not,
leaves,
ma'am.
they will just close.
Ma'am, it
Yes,
will
ma'am.
So
just
that is
close,
a
ma'am.
stimulus to
Yes,
our
ma'am.
touch. Sometimes you have seen some flowers blossom in the morning, and sometimes you have seen some flowers like night queen, like jasmine, they blossom at evening. So these are movement. फूल का खुलना
Yes,
बंद
ma'am.
होना, leaves का खुलना बंद होना, flower, the blossoming of flower, these are all movements. The growth of the plants are movements. So these are the
Ma'am, coming
movements,
birds
but
to the
plants
flowers.
do not show any locomotion, but animals shows. So what are the specialties by which animals locomote? They have two special things. One is muscle and the other one is bone. Especially we have taught in this chapter that human beings, the locomotion in human beings, and also some other specific animals like cockroach, like earthworm, like or kya? Snake,
Ma'am, snake. Ma'am, snakes.
and
Ma'am,
and
snail.
snail.
Ma'am,
Very
snake,
good.
Fish.
fish,
Earthworm,
fish.
fish.
Ma'am,
So
birds.
so how they are moving, how they are locomoting from one
Ma'am,
place to another
snails.
place? Snails, with the help of muscles or
Ma'am,
bones.
muscles and bones.
We are having in our body, in the body of human being, we are having a structure, a framework. That framework is made up of strong connective tissue
Ma'am,
called
backbone.
bones. It is a connective tissue.
Ma'am,
It is connecting
cartilage.
different parts of our body called bones, the strongest connective tissue. Okay, the hardest bone is
Ma'am, which
present
chapter you are?
in our teeth, that is enamel. आपके दांत में जो enamel है, that is
Yes, ma'am.
the hardest part
Hardest.
of the bone. Yes. Abhay, why you are late in the class? We have started revision of the chapter 8. Stop. We are recording. Okay, don't interrupt. Okay. So, what is it? Our body has a framework. That is why you are able to stand. Our bones are there. Along with that, I am talking to you. I am moving my hands. You are moving your body parts with the help of these bones and also a special component, that is muscles. Without
Yes,
muscle,
ma'am. Muscle.
agar if there is no muscle, the bones also cannot move. And if there is only muscle, then what will be? Are you able to stand erect? No.
No, ma'am.
We will be like earthworm, we will be like the snails, we will just go and crawl on the surface of the ground, okay? But the human beings, also birds, also the amphibians, croco reptiles, they are all having these muscles and bones. Together with the help of the two components, bones and muscles, we are able to show locomotion and movement, okay? Here specially we are
Yes,
going to know about bones. Bones are of two types: movable,
And
sorry,
and
immovable.
immovable.
bones are of bones, no, when bones meets together, that part is called the
Points are.
joint.
Ma'am,
Joint.
Joints are of two types. One is the movable joints and the other one is
and
fixed
second is
joints.
immovable.
Ma'am,
Immovable or fixed
known as
joints.
also fixed
Yes,
joints.
and movable joint is also called synovial joints. synovial. synovial. Synovial joints. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So synovial joints are of many types. What are the different types of movable joints? Like
Ma'am,
ball and socket joint, present on
yeah,
shoulder and
ma'am,
knee,
our shoulder. Ma'am,
present on a
ball and
shoulder and
shoulder
knee,
and knee. Ma'am,
shoulder and
shoulder,
knee.
hip, both.
And listen to me, children. Just wait. Let me finish it off. Don't give up. When I asking you, you are going to answer. I'm telling you, I'm recording. Okay. So, and again, there is hinge joint that is present in our elbow and our knee. Okay. In ball and
Yes, ma'am.
socket
Hinge
joint, we
joint.
can move the joint in all direction, bones in all direction. And in hinge joint, we can move it too, but cannot move it backwards. Okay. Other than that, there are some other joints in the wrist. They are called the gliding joints. There are some joints, movable joints present on us
Grinding joint.
between the vertebrae and the skull. That is called the pivot joint. So these
Yes,
are
ma'am.
the
Pivotal
Ma'am,
joint.
pivotal joint.
examples of some synovial or movable joints. You know, our skull and the face are made up of mostly all movable joints except the lower jaw. The name of the lower
Ma'am,
jaw
the
is
lower
called
jaw.
the lower jaw. The name of the bone is called mandible. 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 The lower jaw is called mandible. Okay. So this lower jaw is only movable, and all the bones out of which our skull is made, they are all having immovable joints. Clear?
Ma'am, from this joint,
Yes,
ma'am, we
ma'am.
can talk and ma'am, we can eat.
Yes. Due to the presence of this movable joints only, we are able to eat and talk. Yes. Again, you know our backbone. There is a backbone due to which you are able to stand erect. That backbone is made up of 33 bones. Okay. As we mature, some of the bones get fused together. Okay. जब छोटे छोटे बच्चे जब when you are just born, there are 33 bones in our but backbone. Write down 33 bones are there in our backbone. Okay. So, and from the backbones, 12 pairs of bones comes out and get attached with the chest bone. They are called the ribs. Out of the 12 pairs, only 10 pairs are attached with the chest bone, and the
And
rest
ma'am,
two are
pairs
floating.
are
Ma'am, it saves our heart
They are
and
ma'am,
lungs.
floating.
two,
Yes, they
ma'am,
form
two
a
are
rib. They form a cage-like structure, and this cage-like structure is called the rib cage. They protect our internal organs, especially the lungs and the heart,
And heart.
from external injury. Okay. So, and also we are having forelimbs and hind limbs. These upper two arms, they are called the forelimbs, and the two legs are called the hind limbs.
or
The
ma'am,
upper
this
two
rib
arms,
cage is attached to the backbone.
yes, from the backbone it rises and it get connected. The 10 pairs only get connected to the front chest bone, that is also known as
Yes,
sternum.
yes, ma'am.
Sternum. Sternum. I have told you earlier in the class. Okay. Yes, that is called sternum. Okay. Now the bone over here that is coming from the attached with the shoulder, it is called humerus. It is called humerus.
Numerous.
And here we are having the second part. We are having two bones. One is called radius and the other one is called the ulna. Radio ulna. Together it is called radio ulna. So
Numerous.
radius and ulna. Okay. Similarly, in the hind limb, that is in the legs, the strongest and longest bone is femur. Do you remember? That is attached with the hip bone through ball and socket joint. Femur. femur. जो thigh bone है, thigh bone is also called femur, F-E-M-U-R. Write down thigh bone or femur is the longest bone in our body. And after our knee, there are again two bones. They are called tibia and fibula. These are the two bones present after the knee, below our knee. Tibia and fibula. T-I-B-I-A. Tibia and fibula. So these are the list of the few bones that are
Ma'am,
present in
thigh
our.
bone and ma'am femur.
Or thigh bone is also known as femur, F-E-M-U-R. Okay, so with the help of this, all these bones are attached with muscles by a structure, elastic structure, that is called tendons. So bones are attached with the muscles with the help of a structure called tendon. Do you remember? We have discussed bones are attached with
Yes,
muscles
ma'am.
with the help of a structure called
Tender.
tendons. And two bones are attached to each other by a structure called ligament. Two bones are attached with two bones are attached with each other with
Ligament.
the help of a structure called ligament. Okay,
Ligament.
and we have read about cartilage. Cartilage is not as
Ma'am,
strong as the
strong
bone,
tissue.
but it
Ma'am,
is
it's
a
very
tough
flexible.
elastic structure that coats in the place of the joints. They placed on the surface of the bones in the place of joints. With the help of these
Yes,
bones
ma'am.
and muscles, we can show movement and locomotion. Muscles always work in pair. A pair of muscle works. So when I am just folding my hand, the muscles over here is contracting and the muscle over here is relaxing.
Ma'am,
So at the same
relaxing.
time, out of the two muscle, one is contracting and the other one is relaxing. So bones along with two pairs of muscles only, one contracting and the other relaxing, will be able to move that part of our body. Okay, and also
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have read about some other gait of other animals like cockroach are having wings and legs for their locomotion. Earthworms are having circular muscles and longitudinal muscles and small leg like structure called setae to move. Again, snails are having muscular foot. By contraction and the relaxation of the muscular foot, they are able to move. Okay, fishes are having muscles, bones, fins, with the help of which they can move from one place to another place. Snakes are also having bones and muscles, but you know, in our case, the rib are attached with the chest bone, but in case of snake, there is no chest bone. The ribs are all free. That is why they can crawl ऐसे, that is crawl like this. हम लोग तो ऐसे
Yes,
crawl नहीं
ma'am.
कर पाते हैं. Why? Because this of this chest cavity, this is not moving. We cannot move our chest. We cannot bend
Ma'am,
our
our
chest.
chest has a rib
But
bone.
the snakes are not having this chest bone. As a result, they can crawl like this, any direction they can crawl out. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
this is all about this chapter. Any doubt, children?